So guys, here we have the joining kit from EY, the new joiners kit. It looks really colorful. It says welcome in a bunch of languages. Swagat hai. Really cool packaging. Let's see what's inside. It says welcome to EY and to your first year experience. So let's dig into this. Pretty nice water bottle. These are like the card organizers. The school cap. I like this one. Pretty nice. Pair of socks. A diary. Well, this is just like a magnetic holder or something. It has got some clips and a magnet down below in this box. So yeah, this could come in handy. And there's that EY branding. There's also a pen with the diary. I think this is a mouse pad. Building a better working world. Yep. And then finally this mug as the last piece. Very nice quality. Yep. So that's what all you will get in EY's joining kit as a new joiner. Thank you for watching.